Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Coinbase as well as how to do trading on Coinbase, as well as I will tell you that how I turned my few $100s into thousands of dollars on Coinbase, and then I will also tell you that how you can get free money, means Bitcoin, by clicking on the link provided in this video. Yes, you have heard it right. So I will tell you each and everything step by step with complete explanation. So please watch this video till the end, and remember that I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before making any sort of investments or doing any sort of trading. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel grow, and it also helps us and motivate us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as you can see right in front of you, here is my personal portfolio. Yes, you have heard it right, and I made a really good amount of money in this space. There are people who are making millions, but I just used my own knowledge, my own experience, my own expertise, and I am able to make this much money right there on Coinbase. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before making any sort of investments or trading. So right here, actually I invested around $243, as you can see. I don't know whether I can just show it to you or not. You're right here, yeah. So I invested around $243 and it turned out to be over $8,000. And how I did that, what sort of coins I am holding, and what you can do. Of course, you need to do your own research before making any sort of investments and trading, so please keep that in mind. But I am just showing you right here how you can use Coinbase and how you can get some free Bitcoin by clicking on the link below in the video's description. So you can click on it, register with Coinbase, and you're gonna get free Bitcoin. So yes, you heard it right. So I believe it's $10 if I'm not wrong, but you know, hey, just for the experimental purpose, $10 and free money, it's not bad, right? And who knows, your $10 can be like $100,000, right? I know it sounds crazy because my $243 became over $8,000, and at one point it actually went up to around, as I can show you right here, over $10,000. Actually, it shouldn't be $10,000. It was more than $10,000, right? Yeah, around $11,000, right? So this is what it is. But I will show you about the coins. I will show you about how you can do the trading in this one and how you can buy and sell. There are a lot of fees associated with this Coinbase, so keep that in mind before making any sort of investments. You must be thinking how I made a lot of money with this, so I'm just giving you a little demo just for 10 seconds right here, and just going to show you one link right here. As you can see that I bought it when it was 25 cents and now it's almost $7. So now you can imagine that how I made this much money in this space. So as you can see, when I'm scrolling down, there are all the coins right here. Of course, Chainlink, Band Protocol, Stellar, Tezos, OMG. But these are the coins, you know, so you have to do your own research before making any sort of investment. But can you see the profits they are giving right now? And this change is actually just for 24 hours. So Bitcoin is up around 4%, and Chainlink is 4%, Band Protocol is 10%, and this is just the one-day change. In stocks, you know what happens, you know, right there, it goes up 1%, 2%, 3%, but right here the crypto market is really volatile, so please keep that in mind. Now I'm going to show you my own portfolio, how it looks like. So my portfolio is this one. As you can see right here, I have over 2,000 $2,000, around $2,277 on band protocol. My XRP is around $2,100. My stellar is 2,000. I do have OMG as well, so OMG is around 16, or you can say $1,700. It's 20% of my whole investments, and of course I have a $10 worth of Bitcoin as well. So yes, isn't it crazy, right? And then I can see that I do have Kyber as well of around $8.50. So I'm not gonna just take this into the equation, because you know my major investments are in these 4 coins right here. So how you can register for it, let me just show you first. You know, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. Please go there, click on it, and then it will ask you to sign up. So let me show you how it works and how it will look. So when you will click on the link below in the video's description, this page will open. And the great thing about clicking on the link and registering it with this one is that when you do that, it will open this window which will say you were invited to try Coinbase, and Coinbase is the world's most trusted place to buy and sell. Open an account today, and if you buy or sell $100 or more of, you will receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So that's what you can do by using the link below. So it means that if you are spending like, or if you're trading like $100, you're gonna get free $10. Isn't it crazy, right? So of course any money is a blessing, especially in this period of pandemic. So yes, you can use that link, and I urge you to actually, you know, put some of your balls in this basket as well, because you know, like a wise man always said that don't put all of your balls in one basket, because you know, of course you can buy stocks, you can buy you know, like a lot of other things, S&P, or you can say gold and other things. But at the same time, you know, you can say that it's never too late to try this one as well, because this market is booming as well. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before making any sort of investments. So right here, all you need to do, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, choose your password, of course, where you're located, and then click on "I certify that I am 18 years of age and older." And then as soon as you do that, of course, they will ask you for your other information, because of course it's an investment that you're gonna do. You can actually do the trading. So let me show you how you can do the trading right here, because I'm gonna buy some coins in front of you and I will show you how you can do that, and I'm going to sell them as well. I'm gonna make a little bit loss of mine just to show you guys. So let's see. So right here, as you can see, right, so let me just buy some coins right here. So let me just go and buy band protocol, right? So what I'm gonna do right here, they will ask me like how much do I need to buy. So I'm just gonna click right here. As you can see, it says buy and sell. I'm gonna click on it, and it will ask me, okay, how much you want to buy. So I'm gonna say, for example, $5, right? Let's buy something of $5, and then it's a one-time purchase. Remember, you can actually do it every week, every day, every month as well, but I'm going to do it only one time. So I'm going to click on it. As soon as I click on it, I'm gonna click on preview buy. So as soon as I click on preview buy, it will tell me, okay, so you are going to buy $5, so this much coin you will receive, right? It's 0.5 or 0.6, you can say, almost, right? You're paying with your bank, whatever your bank is. Of course, the price is $6.98 per band, per coin. And then of course the purchase is $4.01, and the Coinbase fee is 99 cents. So that's what you need to do. So I'm going to buy right here. As soon as I click on buy, it will initiate the trade, and then it will just take a couple of seconds to do that. So let's just see. And then right here it says that, hey, your order is submitted, and we will send you an email when your order status updates. Well, it comes instantly right here. You can see right there it says that bought band protocol, and of course this much I bought, and then right here. But at the same time, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to sell it, because you know, like, this is a tutorial based video. So let's click again right here and see how can I sell. So if I click right here, I'm gonna click right here on the second tab, sell, and I'm gonna like how much I want to sell for. So I'm gonna put $5 because I just bought $5, and I'm gonna actually click right here on preview sale. As soon as I do that, it will actually give me right there the price that I'm selling for, and of course how much I initiated it. So you can see right here that sell is $5, Coinbase fee is 99 cents, and of course the total payout is $4.01. So as soon as I click on sell, it will initiate the order. So I'm going to wait that how it's gonna do that. So right here they say we will send you an email when your order starts. So it happens pretty much like right away, so don't worry about it. So if I sell the coin, where is my money, right? Is it straight to the bank or it's somewhere else? So let me just show you. So I'm going to click on portfolio again. As soon as I do that, you can see that they do have US dollars as well. So you're going to click on it. You see right here we sold $4, so it's showing me right there that I actually sold $4. So I have $4 right here in my US dollar wallet, and I can withdraw as well. So I'm going to click on it, and it says complete right here, and it will show me exact details what I need to know, right? So I'm going to withdraw, and as you can see there's $4, so $4.01. So let's do $4 and click on continue. As soon as I click on continue, right there it will show me that where do I need to withdraw. So I'm going to click right here. So if I want to do the instant withdrawal, I can do it with my debit card. Yes, I can actually link my debit card where I can actually invest and withdraw at the same time. If you do with a bank account, right here you can see it takes around 1 to 3 business days. So I'm gonna do it instantly, and it's gonna charge me 55 cents of fee right here. So I'm gonna click on it, and I'm going to click continue. As soon as I do that, it will show me the final review, and I'm going to review it and click on withdraw now. As soon as I click on withdraw now, it will take a couple of seconds, and then right away your funds will be in your account with or via your debit card. So it is that easy, right? So I'm going to show you like what sort of coins that I really inclined towards. I already told you my portfolio right here. I showed it to you that this is my right now portfolio is, so you can actually have a glance. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I am just giving you an opportunity to learn about Coinbase. You should know about this platform as well and about this market as well. It is booming. I personally really like it. So before doing anything, please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor again, right? And remember that I'm going to paste a link below in the video's description. You can click on it, and when you start investing, you invest like around $100, and of course that's what you need to do, at least 100, because like that's how you will see some returns, if there will be any. So then you will get $10, and of course this is great because like it's just 10% of the whole money that you will spend. So when you spend $100, you're gonna get $10 back, so it's $10 of profit or 10% of the profit. So yes, that's what it is. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. I will be happy to answer, and I'll see you in the next video. But remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.